G'day all. Today I'm going to spend an hour at the feed yard. There's been a few more crows around, so I'm going to bait up and see what I can get in. After that I'll be taking a walk through the woodland down the bottom. Let's see how we get on today. Now there's the decoy for the day. There's a rabbit hung up in the tree. Let's see what it brings in. I don't mind him being a lucky crow. You mean that angle? Yeah. So I've pegged him up on top of the old bin here. See if he can attract any of his mates in. Let's give it a go, see what happens. Beautiful shot. Absolutely beautiful shot. Stunning shot indeed. Beautiful shot. Oh well, let's get down and get him. A nice decent crow. Couple of my decoys. Set out there. And a couple on the ground. Had a nice one off. Very nice. As you can see, I'm back home now. That was a nice little quick trip. I only managed to get out for an hour, but those 3 crows made up that hour worth it. Hope you liked it. See you again soon. Take care. DaveRatz signing off.